Guys, let's run a quick test. We will press the button and see if it turns on. It looks like it's on. It makes a funny beep, and it turned green and then red, which means it's not bound. Oh, dang. Dang, 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 dang. That's annoying. Okay, so we stuck one of the batteries into the little drone here to see if that would do anything. Maybe the battery is not charged. It's cool. And just turn it off. Just turn it off, please. That is something that I'm definitely not willing to get used to. That's not cool. Let's see if there's a battery that is charged among these that may actually pop the thing on.
Likey.